Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to use your phone as a mic for your PC. Now for this to work, you're going to need this app called Audio Relay. You can also use the app to turn your phone into a speaker for your PC, but I'll talk about that in another video. This video is about using your phone as a mic. Okay, so I'm going to install the app on my phone. I don't know why it is taking too long to install on my phone. It is done downloading, but the installation process is taking too long. So while it is trying to install, we're going to download the file on PC as well. So on the PC, just head over to this website, audiorelay.net, open your browser and then type this and click on download and choose your operating system. Okay, so it is done installing on the phone. Anyways, choose your operating system. So for me, I use Windows, but if you use Linux or a Mac, then you can choose them. But since I'm using Windows, I'll click this to download, and then I'll wait for it to get done downloading. Alright, so it is done downloading. I'm going to click here and then install the app. So I'll double click, I'll click yes, and then start the installation process. I didn't make any changes, I just clicked next until I got to this part. Okay, so it is done. You can check this if you want and then click finish. Okay, so this is the software. Now on my phone, I'm going to click open. So there are two ways to use this app. You can use it via Wi-Fi or via USB. Now something that I've noticed is that with USB there is no delay between the sound coming from the PC to the phone, but if you are using Wi-Fi, then there's a slight delay when the sound is coming from the PC to the phone. Okay, so for this video we are going to be using the phone as a mic. So what we need to do is tap server. You can see it says stream your mic to another device, so tap here, tap allow while using the app, tap allow again, and you can see now a server has been created with these IP addresses. So on the PC, I'll click player. You can see because my devices are connected via Wi-Fi, it has found my phone. So I'll click here, and yeah, they are now connected. You can see over here it is connected. So for the free version of the app, there's a 1 hour timer. So you have 1 hour to use your phone as a mic for your device, and after 1 hour, I believe you can do it again. I haven't used it for more than or for up to an hour, but I believe you should be able to do the process again and then use your phone as a mic. So over here you can see the mode, it says mic, so you use your phone as a mic. Now how do we test this? Well, if we come down here and right click sound settings, let's go this way. Okay, so down here we have the input option. So what we'll do is just make sure virtual mic is selected. Virtual mic for audio relay is selected. We can tap here and maybe do a test. So my speaker is very bad, but hopefully, okay, you can only see that it is picking up. So let's tap this phone. So as I'm tapping the phone, you can see it is being reflected here. Now let's tap the mic on my PC is up here, so let's tap it and see. Yeah, as you can see, it is not showing up, it is not reflecting. So this is where the sound is coming from. So if I tap it again, you'll see that it is reflecting over here. Now as you can see, it is not instant because there's a delay because I'm using Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same thing using USB, and you'll notice that USB is a lot faster. So I'm going to disconnect by tapping here. Let's go back to the software. You can see now there's no, it says connection lost. So I'll tap here to stop the connection. Alright, so I have a USB over here. This is a USB-C cord. So I'm going to connect it to my phone, and on my phone you have to use USB tethering. So what I'll do now is swipe down from here, I'll tap here, I'll switch from charging mode to USB tethering mode. So I'll tap here, enter my fingerprint. If I tap microphone, you can see now that there's two servers. We use this one at first. This is the Wi-Fi option. Now this is the USB option. So this one will be a lot faster. So if we click here, it is now working. Now let's try. So if I tap, you see it is a lot more instant. Like there's no delay compared to using Wi-Fi.